You are going to love the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.